friends, welcome back to Relief Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about missing frequency but when median is given. Yesterday we have found out missing frequency when mean was given. So this is the data set. These are the age and these are the number of persons. You have to find missing frequency x. So you remember yesterday's lecture I told you that if there is one frequency missing, you should have one information, and that information is the median is 24. You have to find x. So you know that how to find the median and what columns are required in table in order to find median. We are familiar with that. So we'll start finding median. You just forgot about that. Here frequency is not given. Just you play your natural game. Try to find the median. Okay. So in case of median, you know that we require cumulative frequency. So we will find cumulative frequency. See here, this is frequency. Now cumulative frequency 5. So you know 5. Now 5 plus 25. So that is equals to 30. Now 30 plus x. So it is 30 plus x. Remember, somebody what they will write 30 plus x. So they will write 30x. You see the difference between these two. This is 30 into x. Here 30 plus x. So when you have to add 30 plus x, you have to write plus x. Now 30 plus x plus 80. So this way 30 plus x plus 80. So 30 plus 18, 48 plus x. So you will get 48 plus x. Now plus 7. So 48 plus x plus 7. So how will you get 55 plus x? So you write here 55 plus x. So in this way we have find out cumulative frequency. Now this is our cumulative frequency. Now you know sum of the frequency means 5 plus 25, 30, 30 plus 18, 48, 48 plus 7, 55, 55 plus x. So this will be the total cumulative frequency 55 plus x. Okay. Now you know that while doing problem in order to find median, first we used to find median class. Median means I told you it is middlemost observation. And in order to find middlemost observation, what we used to do, suppose the total frequency is there are 40 students, and if you want to reach at the middle of the number, then what you will do? Naturally you will divide it by 2. So 40 by 2 you used to do. So you are reaching near to the median, that is 20. And if total frequency is n, then what you used to do? N by 2 in order to reach near the median class. And this value you will see in cumulative frequency and used to find the median class. But here, sum of the frequency n is 55 plus x. 55 plus x. Now if you want to find n by 2 in order to find median class, 55 plus x divided by 2, you will get no answer. But you remember, try to think over it here. So it is not possible to find median class. Then we will not be able to, what we can say, approach our problem. आगे नहीं ले जा सकते हम हमारे प्रॉब्लम को. तो क्या करना है? बहुत सिंपल है. अब देखिए क्या दिया हुआ है यार. मीडियन दिया हुआ है. मीडियन 24 कहाँ लाइज करता है? 0 to 10 में? नहीं. 10 to 20 में? नहीं. 20 to 30 में? Yes. So median is already given 24. So naturally that 24 lies in 20 to 30. So this will become median class. Clear? Simple. So now what you will write here? Here median is equals to 24. So therefore median lies or median class is 20 to 30. Now you find median. Simple. So now you know the formula to find median. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into C. Okay. So now this is median class. So this will be your CF cumulative frequency and this will be your frequency F. We will substitute here. So median and lower boundary point. So median class is 20 to 30 and it is continuous. So we can say L is equals to 20, but median is already given here. How much is your median? 24. So 24 is equals to L. Lower boundary point is 20. Yes. See, just keep this spanner here. What you used to write 20 plus, then you write this. This is wrong thing, yeah. Twenty plus n by 2. What is your n? 55 plus x. So n is 55 plus x upon 2 minus cumulative frequency. You know that it is not the cumulative frequency of median class. It is cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. So this is 30. So you write here 30 upon a frequency is x into class length. What is the class length? See, 10. So class length is 10. See, look at this equation. There is only one value unknown, that is x. So you have to solve this equation in order to find the value of x. Nothing complicated. See, now this is plus 20. When it comes here, it will become minus 24 minus 20 is equals to. Here you know that what we can do, nothing. Here I can write this way, 55 plus x divided by 2 minus 30 upon 1. Okay, this is our thing, see here. Here into 10 by x. Let's say this is the case, numerator into what we have, 10 by x, or I can write this way, see, upon x into 10. Same thing I have written here, or one thing I can say here, see here. You can find LCM also here. But here it is what you have, 10 by x. So when 10 by x goes on other side, it will become, when 10 by x goes on other side here, it will become x by 10. Reciprocal of this 10 by x is x by 10. See, here it is in division. So when it goes on other, it will become multiplication. And here it is in multiplication. So when it goes on here, it will become division. You might be knowing that. But see, little bit will do. 55 plus x by 2. I am not finding LCM now. 30 upon 1. What is there? Into 10 by x. Now 24 minus 20, you will get 4 into this 10 by x when it goes on other side, x by 10 is equals. Now you will find LCM. Clear? So what will be your LCM C2? You know, here you have to find LCM. Why? Because this is a fraction and this is also a fraction. In order to subtract or add two fractions, you have to do LCM. Now what will be the LCM here? 2. So numerator, this LCM and denominator is same. So numerator will be as it is, 55 plus x minus 2 ones are. So here you will get 60. Clear? Now these 2's are, this 5's are. So what you will get? 2 into x. 2x upon 5. Here see, these 2 are like term. 55 minus 60. Here x as it is. 55 minus 60 is minus 5 upon 2. Any doubt? Now nothing you have to do. Cross multiplication. 5 into x minus 5. 5 into x minus 5 is equals to 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x. 5 into x, 5x minus 5 into 5, 25 is equals to 2 into 2x, 4x. Now all x terms on one side. Why? Because they are like terms. So this 4x will come here. So 5x minus 4x is equals to minus 25 will go on other side. It will be 25. 5x minus 4x, x is equals to 25. So in this way we have found the missing frequency x is 25. So here median is given. So you will try to find median. Yesterday mean was given. So you were trying to find mean. That's all, nothing. And you know that when median is given, you have to find cumulative frequency. Only one column is required and this is cumulative frequency. Then question arises. You have to find median class. So what you used to do, generally we used to do n by 2, but n is 55 plus x divided by 2, you will not get any value. X is unknown. But you see here, median is given already, it is 24, so it is easy to find median class. Why? Because 24 lies in this class, so this is our median class. Then you use the formula, substitute the value. There is only one variable, that is x. So by solving that, you can find the value of x. It is quite simple. Clear? Okay. So I am going to rub this. We will find one more problem. When two missing frequencies are given. How many? Two missing frequencies are given. Here only one missing frequency was given. So only one information was given. Now two missing frequency. Now see, we will find. Question number 2. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. See, this is one class. This is the class. And 50 to 60 also we get. And one problem, 5 to 120. 5, 20, 50, 50. 5. This is the thing. Frequency. So look at the problem. What is given here? There are two missing frequencies, F1 and F2, so we require two information. So here in your question only two information will be given. That is, the median is 28.5. Median is, sorry, median is 28.5. And sum of frequencies, sum of frequency is 60. Find F1 and F2. See how this problem is different from the previous problem. If you look at the data, it is a group continuous data with equal class length. Same thing was in the previous case, but there was only one missing frequency. Here you have two missing frequencies. So if two missing frequencies, then two information. Which are those two information? Median is 28.5. This is one information, and sum of the frequency is 60. Sum of the frequency is 60 means here n is equals to 60. This is given. And median is given. So naturally you will try to find the median. So for that what you require? You require one column, that is cumulative frequency. Always when you used to find median, cumulative frequency is this 5, then 5 plus F1. See, I can write F1 and F2, or if you want you can write X and Y. So here 5 plus F1. 5 plus F1 plus 20. So 25 plus F1. 25 plus F1 plus 15. So 40 plus F1. 40 plus F1 plus F2. So 40 plus F1 plus F2. 40 plus F1 plus F2 plus 5. So 45 plus F1 plus F2. Okay. So this is our cumulative frequency. And you know, if sum of the frequency means this will be the sum of the frequency. See, 5 plus 20, 25. 25 plus 15, 40. 40 plus 5, 45 plus F1 plus F2. So 45 plus F1 plus F2. It is nothing but it is N. Okay. See now. So first of all, I told you how many missing frequency, two missing frequency. So two information, median and sum of the frequency. So first we will utilize this information. Sum of the frequency is 60. Sum of the frequency is 60 means here n is equals to 60. But n you know it is this 45 plus F1 plus F2. So n is 60. No doubt, just to do the total of this. 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 15, 40, 40 plus 5, 45 plus F1 plus F2. That is equals to 60. So 45 plus F1 plus F2 is equals to 60. So F1 plus F2 is equals to 60 minus 45. So F1 plus F2 is equals to, so this is our equation 1. Clear? So here we have used first information. This is your first information. This. Now we will use second information. What is your second information? Second information is this. The median is 28.5. So now median is 28.5. So therefore you have to find median class. And here median is given, so median class will be quite easy. 28.5 lies in this class? No. In this class? No. In this class? Yes. 28.5 lies in this class. So this is your median class. So median class is 20 to 30. Now we'll use the formula to find median. That's all. So median is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into C. This is the formula to find median. Now median is given how much? 20.5 is equals to L, lower boundary point. See, lower boundary point is 20. So 20 plus N by 2. N is 60. Given. So 60 by 2. 60 by 2 is 30. And write directly here 30. N is equals to 60. It is given. See, N is equals to 60. So N by 2 is equals to 30 minus cumulative frequency. Now cumulative frequency of not median class preceding the median class. This is our cumulative frequency and this is our F. So minus CF. So this minus sign is for whole CF and whole CF is 5 plus F1. So I will write this in bracket this way. 5 plus F1. Why? Because this minus sign is for cumulative frequency and cumulative frequency is 5 plus F1. So this is 5 plus. Don't make mistake. Generally what you used to do, 30 minus 5 plus F1 you will write. This is wrong. N by 2 minus CF and minus is for this whole CF. So you write this way. Minus 5 plus F1 upon frequency. Frequency is 20 into class length. Class length is how much? 10. 10 minus 0, 20 minus 10, 10. So class length is 10. Now 20 will come here. So 28.5 minus 20 is equals. The 0 will get cancelled. Now 30. You will open the bracket. So minus into plus minus 5. Minus into plus minus F1 upon 0 cancels. So you will get here 2. Now 28.5 minus 20. So how much you will get? You will get 8.5. I hope you are understanding this. See now. 28 minus 5 minus 20. So you will get 8.5. Now 30 minus 5 minus F1. So 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5 is 25 minus F1 upon 2. Now with 2 will go here. 8.5 into 2. So 8.5 into 2. So 8 2s are 60.5. So you get 70 is equals to 25 minus F1. Minus F1 will come here. So you will get F1. So that is equals to 25 minus 70. So F1 is equals to 8. So in this way we got F1. F1 is 8. So this is our F1. You got only one missing frequency. You want to find one more missing frequency, F2. So now, here we have F1 is equals to 8. So naturally this will be 7. Why? Because 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. Okay, so now substitute F1 equal to 8 in equation 1. What is equation 1? See, F1 plus F2 is equals to 15. So 8 plus F2 is equals to 15. So F2 is equals to 15 minus 8. So F2 is equals to 7. So in this way, our missing frequency F2 is equals to 7. So here, only two type of problem here. Single frequency missing, double frequency missing, single frequency missing, one information, double frequency missing, two information. It is quite easy. Hope you have enjoyed our lecture. Okay, keep practicing. Thank you.